Hello everyone, welcome to Algebra 1/2, Lesson 80. We're talking about multiplication and scientific notation. It might sound like a big thing, but don't worry, it's actually really easy. So I want you to look at this problem. If I have 4 times 1,000 times 100, well 4 times 1,000 is 4,000 times 100. Well, we know that we're adding on 2 more zeros, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. 400,000. If I were to instead write this as scientific notation, I know that 1,000 would be 10 to the third because I have 3 tens, and then 100 is 10 to the second power. So I have 2 tens. So I can combine these 10 to the third and 10 to the second because I have a rule that I can just add, when I multiply two numbers that have the same base, 10 being the base, I can add the exponents. So that this is really 4 times 10 to the 3 plus 2, which equals 4 times 10 to the 5th power, which we can see here because 10 to the 5th power is 5 zeros. And here I have 4 and 5 zeros. So we know that it's true. So this gives us a rule that this 10, it's really just a decimal point mover. It moves our decimal point, that's right here, 5 places to the right. So we have a rule that to multiply numbers in scientific notation, we multiply the numbers and then we multiply and we add the exponents of the decimal point movers. So these 10s, we add them algebraically. So let me show you what I mean. I'm multiplying 4 times 10 to the 5th times 2 times 10 to the negative 2. So these are two numbers written in scientific notation, and I want to multiply them. So I start by multiplying the numbers themselves. Multiply 4 times 2. That equals 8. Now I just add the exponents of my decimal point movers. So I add the exponent of 5 plus a negative 2. 5 plus negative 2 is 3. So this is 8 times 10 to the 3rd power. That's it. Super simple, right? Okay, let's try another one. 3 times 10 to the 8th power times 3 times 10 to the 3rd power. So I start by multiplying my numbers. 3 times 3 equals 9. How about my 10s? 10 to the 8th, 10 to the 3rd. Add 8 plus 3 is 11, so it's 10 to the 11th. All right, let's try one more. I have 4 times 10 to the negative 6 times 2 times 10 to the positive 4. Multiply my 4 times 2, that gives me 8. Negative 6 plus a positive 4. Remember, you subtract 6 minus 2. What has the greater absolute value? The negative 6, so your answer is negative 2. So it would be 8 times 10 to the negative 2. That's all right? Go ahead and do your practice now. Pause your video. Bottom of page 225. Okay, if you have not yet paused your video, please pause. Don't just get the answer straight from me. Okay, letter A. You should have 4 times 2 is 8. The negative 4 plus positive 14 gives you 10. So 8 times 10 to the positive 10 power. Letter B, 3 times 3 is 9. We have a positive 6 plus a negative 2, so that's 9 times 10 to the positive 4. Letter C, 2 times 2 is 4. You have a positive 10 exponent plus a positive 3 exponent, so you have 4 times 10 to the positive 13. Then with letter D, you have 2 times 2, which is, 2 times 3, which is 6. Then you have a negative 5 and a negative 8. So you add that together. Negative 5 plus negative 8 is negative 13. So you have 6 times 10 to the negative 13 power. That's all, right? Super simple. Have a great day, and I'll see you in our next lesson. Bye.